Students, this is class number 25. Let us solve simple questions which are on the board. First question, if A cross B given, ordered by P, small letter P, this is small letter Q, small Q, PR, M, Q, small letter Q, M, R, find A and B. Your cross product is given and asked to find out set A and set B. For set A, you collect first entries. For set B, you collect second entries. So simple question for 1 mark. Solution. First one. So set A. So tell me first entries. For set A, you collect first entries. P, M. Tell me elements of set A. So P, so M. So right. While forming the set, we won't repeat the elements. We won't collect the same element more times. That you know. That basic concept you know very well. So right. We got set A. Next you write set B. Set B. So tell me set B elements, students. For set B, you collect the second entries. So tell me second entries. Q. So Q, comma R, Q, R. So these are the sets. These are the required sets A and B. We solved that first question. Now I go for solving second one. So second one is already we solved a question of this type. Two ordered pairs are equal. When we say two ordered pairs as equal, only when first entry is equal to first entry and second entry is equal to second entry. So ordered pairs equal ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಲೆಟ್ us use that logic. So now x plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 3. So solve this. Send plus 1 right side. X by 3, 5 by 3 minus 1. 5 by 3 minus 1. Send plus 1 right side. Simplify this. Simplify by using LCM. Find LCM. So x by 3. So tell me LCM 3. So cross multiplication enough. 1 5s are 5 minus 3 1s are 3. So write x by 3 is equal to 5 minus 3. Tell me students, how much is 5 minus 3? 2. So 2 by 3. I think 3 and 3 get cancels because on cross multiplication this 3 comes up. On cross multiplication this 3 goes up. Means can be cancelled. 3 can be cancelled. So tell me x value 2. X is 2. You can find x and y in any way. Some people prefer to find LCM here itself. You can do in any way, students. Next, let's think of finding y. So next, so y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Y minus 2 by 3 is equal to what? 1 by 3. Send minus 2 by 3 right side. So y equals 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Same denominators, add the numerators. So denominators are same. Go for adding the numerators as it is. So it is 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2, 3 by 3. Get cancels 1. So y is equal to 1. We got x value and y value. So right. Let us solve these two simple questions, students. So set G is given. G 7 8. Set H given. Find G cross H and H cross G. It is so easy. You already learned. Go for solving that. Solution. So G cross H. So write this cross product. This cross product, what are Cartesian product always contains ordered pairs. Jodi iruttave. So the what is G cross H. So tell me that 7 5. Next 7 4. Next 7 2. So next 8 5. 8 4. 8 2. So we got this G cross H. Similarly, you find out H cross G. H cross G. H cross G. H cross G. So 5 7. 5 8. So next 4 7. Next 4 8. So next 2 7. So 2 8. So we got H cross G also. One thing you remember, students, A cross B need not to be, never be equal to B cross A. A cross B and B cross A, they are not equal sets. Keep that in mind. So let us go for solving one more question. This is question number 3. So 4. Set A has 3 elements. So number of elements in set A 3. Next to set B is also having 3 more elements. 3 elements. Number of elements in B. So 3. We have a formula. Number of elements in A cross B is equal to Mn. If set A has m elements and set B has n elements, number of elements in A cross B is m into n. M into n. Substitute. So 3 into 3. So how much is 3 3s are 9. A cross B should have 9 elements. Totally there are 9 ordered pairs can be seen in A cross B. I hope you understood, students. Let us go for solving some more questions. Look at this one more simple question, students. State the following statements are true or false. If the statement is false, write correct statement. Did you understand that question? So, right. So you need to check. You people have to check whether these given statements are true or false. If the given statement is false, here it is asked to correct it. You need to write correct statement. In the case if it is false. So now let's go for solving one more. Right. First question, solution. So P is equal to Mn. Set P given Mn. Set Q contains Nn. P cross Q. Tell me P cross Q, students. Mn. Ordered pair Mn. Next ordered pair Mn. Next ordered pair Nn. Next ordered pair Nn. Is this given P cross Q correct? True. So now it is false. So false. Directly write. False. The correct answer is. So correct answer is. Correct answer is P cross Q. P cross Q is equal to Mn. Ordered pair Mn. Ordered pair Mn. Next ordered pair Mn. So Mn. Next ordered pair Nn. Next ordered pair Nn. So we got the P cross Q. This is P cross Q. Let us go for solving one more question. Second question. If A and B are non-empty sets, A cross B is a non-empty set. Correct? If A and B contains elements A cross B also contains elements. A ಮತ್ತು B ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ A ಕ್ರಾಸ್ B ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಜನರಲ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ is a non-empty set of ordered pairs xy. A cross B, any cross product always contains ordered pairs. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರ್ತವೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. such that x is an element of first set, y is an element of second set. Is this statement true or false? True. 100% true. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರ್ತವೆ ಈ ತರದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಫಾರ್ us. So it is true. So true. Answer for the second one is so true. Enough. So now let's move on to third one. Third one is also true. So B intersection point. So true. So because why it is true means so B intersection point. Intersection of empty set with any set is empty set. Empty set. That implies A cross. So how much is B intersection pi? Pi. Cross product of any set with empty set must be empty set. Can we get ordered pairs for this? Can it possible to write ordered pairs for this? No, it should be empty set. Fine. I hope you understood these simple questions. Let us move on to next question. Students, let us go for solving these simple questions. You know how to solve. Set A given -1 1. Find A cross A. That you know very well how to find that. So now let's go for that. A cross A. Can I find it directly, students? So -1. So right next to -1 1. So right ordered pairs. So set A -1 1. Once again I write that same set once again. A cross A. Tell me elements of A cross A. -1. Come on, next. -1 plus 1. One more ordered pair. Next ordered pair. 1 -1. So next ordered pair. 1, 1. This is A cross A. Using this, let us find A cross A. So A cross A. So again I take -1 from this and I go for combining with these ordered pairs. So I am going to get triplets. Tell me the students. -1. Next -1 1. Next -1 1. Next -1 1. -1 1. Now you take 1. 1 -1. So 1. So -1 1. So next 1 -1 1 over. So next 1 1. Next 1 1. So right, we got it. This is A cross A. So right, students, I hope you understood. Now let's go for solving one more question. Next question. Now you see this one more simple question. Cross product given and asked to write individual sets A and B. It's so simple. You learned that very well. Set A elements. So you collect the first entries for set A, second entries for set B. First entries A. So next B, that's all. Set B. You collect the second entries for set B. So tell me that X. So Y. That's all. We got to the sets A and B. Let us move on to solving next question. A and B are two sets such that number of elements in A 3, number of elements in A should be 3, number of elements in B should be 2. Some elements of A cross B is given. Find A and B. So simple. Whatever it is, we always correct first entries for first set, second entries for second set. Tell me first entries. So X, Y. So next is Z. Clearly number of elements of A is 3. So A is having 3 elements. Next you write B. Set B. So tell me set B. 1, 2. So 1, so 2. That's all it seems, students. I hope you understood this. So let us solve this. One more simple question on the board. Set A given, set B, set C, set D given. So verify that. First you find out this quantity. Call that as equation number 1. After that you find out this right side quantity. Call that as equation number 2. So after getting both, you check whether they are equal or not. ಮೊದಲು LHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ RHS ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೋ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು. ವೆರಿಫೈ ದಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ವೆರಿಫೈ ದಟ್. Now let us go for first let us find B intersection C. First let us find B intersection C. So B intersection C. So intersection means common elements. So collecting common elements from both B and C. So tell me common elements. 1 is 1 common? No. 2 is not a common. 3 is not a common. 4 is also not a common. So we don't have common elements, right? I think it is empty set pi. So pi. A cross pi. So A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross pi. Cross product. Is it possible to find A cross pi? No. We don't get elements for this A cross pi. No elements. Means it should be pi. Call this as equation number 1. Call this as equation number 1. Next you go for finding RHS, right side. A cross B. So A cross B. So tell me that A cross B ordered pairs. 1, 1. So 1, 2. Next 1, 3. Next 1, 4. So next you take 2. So 2, 1. So 2, 1. So 2, 2. So 2, 3. Next to 2, 4. This is A cross B. So 2, 1. So 2, 2. 2, 3. 2, 4. Next you find out A cross C. A cross C. So here we say that C is A cross C. 1 cross 5. 1, 5. Ordered pair 1, 5. Next 1, 6. 1, 5. 1, 6. Next 2, 5. So 2, 6. Now intersection of these two, A cross B intersection A cross C. A cross B intersection. So A cross C is equal to, you collect common from both. Is it 1, 1 common? No. 1, 2 common? No. Is this 1, 3 common? No. 1, 4 common? No. So 2, 1 common? No. 2, 2 it is not a common element. 2, 3 it is not common from both. So 2, 3 we don't have 2, 3. 2, 4? No. So I think it is empty set. Fine. Empty set. Correct. 2. So this is 2. So from 1 and 2, that what is that law called? Distributive law. Left distributive law. This is left distributive law. So right. A cross is distributive, left distributive over intersection. So right. A cross from 1 and 2, this implies A cross B intersection C is equal to, so A cross B intersection A cross C. So proved, we proved. Okay students, let us move. Now let us solve that second question. Is A cross C subset of B cross B? So we got this A cross C. We have A cross C. Now let's find out B cross D. B cross D. So right, B cross D. So tell me that 1 5. So 1 5. Next 1 6. Next 1 7. Next 1 8. So next 2 5. 2 5. So 2 6. 2 7. So 2 8. So next 3 5. 3 5. So 3 6. 3 7. So 3 8. So next 4 5. 4 5. 4 6. 4 7. 4 8. 4 8. Now let us check whether A cross is subset of B cross D. Subset means part. All the elements of A cross C should be the elements of B cross D. If all the elements of A cross C becomes elements of B cross D, then we can say A cross is subset of B cross D. 1 5, yes, it's seen. It is seen. We are seeing that 1 6, yes, it is seen. 2 5, it is there. 2 6. All the elements of that means XY belongs to A cross C. Ordered pair XY belongs to A cross C implies ordered pair XY belongs to B cross D. ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಬರ್ತಿರೋದು ನೋಡಿ. XY A cross C ಅಂದ್ರೆ XY ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತದೆ? B cross D. Therefore it must be subset. So therefore A cross C is subset of B cross D. I hope you understood, friends. So let us stop this class. So we shall go for next class.